It's Lenten season, Good Friday. So I have this bilo-bilo or binignit in Bisaya. I don't know in English, but this is so yummy. This is with sticky rice. This is with balls, a lot of balls, sago, with kamote, and then also langka, and then also banana saba. So this is the kamote, the crops, root crops. Kaya bitaw kung sa ningalan. That's kamote. This is the langka. Wow. That one, oh, langka. This jackfruit. It will add flavor. Yummy.